Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you some important updates about MoCoin and the reasons why I'm very bullish about MoCoin and why I'm going to buy more and more MoCoin right now. I will share you all further details here, including its Binance listing and its price prediction, that how much zero we can expect to kill MoCoin this year mega bullion. So video will be very special, very important. You have just for the complete video here. First of all, you can see I have 73 million more coin currently worth about just $6. I buy this coin around $20, but right now I'm nearly 3x loss here because recently crypto market was barely crashed here. This crash, all the cryptocurrencies come down. Their prices are right now down. You can see when I'm clicking here in 1 day chart, this chart is looking bearish. Okay, before that this coin was trading with only 5 zeros, 5 zeros, 4 its price. You can see 0.5 zeros and $4 price here, but right now coin is 6 zeros. So I think right now this coin is in massive dip here. Super 6 times $88 current price drop by almost 9% last 24 hours, 19% last 7 days, 46% dump in last 14 days, 65% dump in last 30 days. So first reason is this, that right now MoCoin is in a massive dip here. I was waiting for this term because MOG is very best cryptocurrency and very best meme coin that has potential to be the next at least 40 to 50 billion dollars market meme coin. Smart big category meme coin, a cat theme meme coin. This meme coin has definitely potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin. But current I can see friends $346 million only. So right now this meme coin is in massive dip, as I already show you. Still trading volume is good, $16.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is awesome. 24 trillion supply in circulation, 390 trillion coin supply. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin after that launch on BAS also. You can see friends, sorry, initially launched on BAS, but after then Ethereum. You can see Murad big Cathy meme coin. This is good. Right now we are almost 78% down than its all-time high. Okay, they were 2 months ago, so right now this can be the best buying opportunity for us also, that these type of coins, the high market cap coin, high potential coins and early listed on Coinbase are right now 78% down. So this is good. And when crypto market will be recovered, then this meme coin and all other high market meme coin will recover soon than any other coin. We are still 19,500% up in this all-time low. Coin has still clicked 3 zeros. So this is awesome, friends. And you can see Get.io, Bybit, MEXC, Bitget, KuCoin, and Coinbase, a major tier 1 central exchange, US regulated number 1 central exchange, has listed this coin, and Kraken has also listed this coin. So that's the reason, that's the second reason, that's why I'm buying some more coin here, because already listed in Binance, Kraken. So definitely we can see Binance listing also, maybe in coming few months, is sooner or later, but it's really possible that more can be the next listing for Binance Exchange, because still there's no any BAS ecosystem meme coin listed on Binance, not even Bread, not Toshi. So whenever we can see Binance Exchange listing for BAS ecosystem meme coin, then Moog has potential to be the maybe first or second listing for Binance Exchange after Bread. These are the two reasons. That's why I'm very bullish on MoCoin, because Moog is right now 78% down in its all-time high, and because it's a new meme coin, okay, going to fast its first bullion. Okay, so that's why it's also possible that Moog has potential to kill at least 3 more zeros. Its all-time high price was only 5 zeros. Right now coin has 6 zeros, but from its current market, Moog has potential to kill at least 3 more zeros, and we can see Moog price with only 3 zeros. Okay, and my price prediction is I'll show you that I think Moog has potential to be the next 30 to maybe $50 billion market meme coin. Is my price prediction, that can be true or not? What your price prediction about Moog? Are you holding Moog or not? Do you think Moog will be listed in Binance in coming few months or not? You can must comment down below.